coffee corner, coffee, hot chocolate.
Hello and welcome. I thought I'll take you on a small shop tour, hobby room tour. I have promised some people I will make a small video of my workshop now when I have used it for a bit over a year. So let's just take a small walk around.
We can start with the storage wall with all the models. It's a wall with 120 different holes, so I can modify it for different planes and wings. It works perfect. It's a huge space saver. Down here I have some building materials. It's almost only balsa wood. There's some plywood, but mostly balsa wood. This is my field box. Due to that I'm also flying glow planes. I do have this panel, built-in battery, built-in fuel tank, all inside the fuel box. Here's my electric corner, more or less. Unfortunately, a dead TV. It will be changed with a workable TV in the future, I hope. It's used to fly simulators, watch RC videos, just for hanging out. Here is my charging stations. I charge all my batteries here. I don't have anything to have the batteries in while charging, but I'm always here when I'm charging the batteries. To store my LiPo, I do have this one. It's a box graded for transporting explosive, so I think it's good enough for storing my LiPo batteries. My little soldering station. It's a lot of soldering when you're doing model flying, so nice to have. These are accessories for my extension table. If you've seen the video when I built my my hobby room, you'll see that this is a table that's detachable, and it's stored on the wall behind there when it's not in use. These are some accessories I made. These ones are for making this table wider when using planes that have landing gears out on the wings, so it can stand stable on the table. These two are just wheel stops, one in front and back of the landing gear, so that the model will stay still on the table while working on it. These ones are for when you're working on the fuselage, or you have a sailplane or something that's not having any landing gears, so it's workable upside down and everything. This one is for attaching back here when I'm running the engines, so that the plane will stay still. These dowels go in here and attaches behind the back wing, so it's holding the plane back when throttling up. I do also start and use glow engines in here, and as you can see, this table is built right in front of the door, so when I'm running glow fuel planes in here, the door is open and all the exhaust and smoke goes straight out of the door. Some of the tools that I use most hanging in this area, that's mostly the work area where I do most work. Some accessories, propellers, dowels, my Dremel, scrap bin for some more balsa woods, coffee corner, coffee, hot chocolate, storage containers for all possible small things that you may take out to the field, another small work area and work lights, glue. Hobby King had a drive on epoxy glue, so I think it was less than $1 per piece. I don't remember exactly now. Some of my cameras that I use for my YouTube videos, transmitters, mine and my son's, storage wall that I built from one sheet of particle board. It contains 40 containers. It's 4 for $10 at the dollar store. So cheap and simple fix for making a lot of storage space. Using the ceiling also for storing models. A chopper that's from a friend of mine that has passed away, so I got it from his parents, and that will remain here as a memory from him. Some of the glow motors that's not in use right now. So if you have any questions about anything, just please leave a comment in the sections below this YouTube video, and I'll try to answer as good as I can. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed this small little video. So bye bye.